Hey guys, what's going on? Sean here with Westcott Designs, and today we're going to be going over the installation of the GMC 1500 fender liner pullback kit. So you can take your truck from looking like this to this. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first off, what we're going to be doing is taking off the mud flap. Going to be ending up using a pry bar tool, a body trim removal tool to get the clips out of there. Then go ahead and remove the screw to pull the fender liner back, and then we're going to be removing the bracket behind the fender liner. Once you have the 4 screws out of it, you can go ahead and put in the new bracket. And then go ahead and take out the factory bolts that we provide. And next up, we're going to be marking the hole locations to drill through the fender liner. You can use a punch, marker, kind of anything just to make that hole and make sure that it's lined up with the locations on the new bracket. And once you have it marked, you can go ahead and drill it out. And then go ahead and place in the hardware that we provide. And then with the factory mud flap, what you're going to want to do is trim it to adapt to the new pullback kit. Sometimes you can use a torch to heat up the plastic to make it easier to cut. You can use a razor blade to trim it. It creates kind of a smoother cut. You can also use a cutoff wheel or a little air saw if need be. If you're enjoying the video so far, liking what you're seeing and you're learning something, go ahead and smash that like button for us, hit that subscribe to get more daily content. Let's go ahead and get back to the video. All right, once you have the mud flap trimmed, you're going to go ahead and screw it back into place, make your marking on the lower bracket. We'll be cutting that section off. Easiest method is going to be using a cutoff wheel. If you don't have a cutoff wheel, you can use an air saw or a smaller blade sawzall. just smooth the cut up. That way there's no sharp metal hanging off. And then we go ahead and give it a little paint. Make sure it prevents any rust from happening. And then we go ahead and trim off the lower section of the fender liner there. Now for the front here, we're going to be removing the trim piece to make clearancing for the front. We take off the lower valence piece there. Once again, heating up the plastic with a torch makes it a little bit easier to cut, and you can use a razor blade to cut this. And then we're going to be trimming off all those tabs and making them flush.
All right, so that's it for our video as far as the installation of the GMC 1500 fender liner pullback kit. Hope you guys learned something off of it. Go ahead and give us a like, drop us a comment, give us a subscribe for more content.